Here's the app, Reels and Story Maker, Temply or Temply, video templates and music. So here you can just get it. Lift your social accounts with templates for Instagram, stories and Reels and TikTok or Snapchat unique videos. Create fully personalized content in just a few taps. Pick a template, add your own videos and photos, and add it to your liking, share on social media, or save to your device. So let's just open it up. You can allow this to track. And then you can just select all of these details, and then based on them, you will have a lot of templates. So yearly plan here is like $50, monthly $13. It's not that cheap, not that expensive, so it's kind of mid-range in terms of pricing. So yeah, and then you can just have some of the photos. You can, for example, select some of the photos here. And then also you can create your own recap of year 2023, and they have a nice templates for recap here. You can just create your brand journey. So yeah, kind of that's where it goes. Or then you can just create all the different templates just for Reels, and then you can just add like different content. You can create from scratch if you want. For example, I just want add this clip, and then I can just replace, add speed, transitions, add filters, change volume, duplicate. You can see how it looks like. Of course, it will be in the right resolution for the Reels. But then if you want to add music, if you want to add graphics, all of that, then you need to upgrade. And then yeah, you can just save video in the correct resolution. So yeah, that's the idea basically. Yeah, so quite cool.